Okay, so let's go over the complete ionization of hydrophosphoric acid. So first up, because it says hydro, it's binary, which means it's just going to be an H and then whatever this phos is, phosphor. So it's phosphor. Um, so let's put our P. And if we look on the periodic table, we know this is -3. We know H is +1. So we need to balance it out. So it's going to be H3P. Okay. So because there's 3 H's, we're going to have 3 steps for this one. So first step, we're going to have H3P plus H2O. Now, the next question is, all right, what kind of arrow do we draw? Because this is a weak acid, we're going to have to do the double-headed arrow for this one, okay? And then this is the acid, right? Because it says acid, it also starts with an H, so we know this is the acid. When it loses, what acids lose, the H plus, it's going to become H2P, and again, it lost an H plus, so this one's going to be -1, all right? The water is gaining an H plus, so it's going to become H3O plus. And these are pretty much constants throughout these kind of problems. You're always going to have those water on the reactant side, and then the H3O plus is always going to be on the product side. All right, let's start with the second one now. So here we put H2P -1, because that's what we had over here, plus a new water molecule. That's not a strong acid, so we use the double-headed arrows. And now it's going to lose another H plus, so it's going to go down to just HP. It lost another plus, another H plus, so this is going to become -2, and then plus H3O plus. All right. So again, you still end up with H3O, H2O. Now notice there's another H over here, which means we have another step, the third step. So now we have HP -2 plus H2O, double-headed arrow again because it's not a strong acid. And then what we're going to have now is that HP -2, it's going to lose another H plus, and that's going to make this just phosphide, the charge, right? -3 plus H3O plus. And then this would show all the complete steps, the complete ionization for hydrophosphoric acid. You end up with these still, and if you notice there's a trend here that these all stay the same, right? You can also see a trend with this here where it starts out as -1, -2, -3. The number of H's goes down as you're going through here, and same thing here, the number of H's goes down as well through there.